In today's video, I open a mystery box. Cue the intro. Hello folks, welcome to the channel. For those of you new here, my name is Andrew and I am a part-time reseller of goods on Vinted, eBay and Amazon. So in today's video, I have been sent a mystery box by my good friends at Fleek, and it's a big one that costs about £81.82, I believe. It is curated stock that has been handpicked by people at Fleek, specifically for resellers like you and me who perhaps are limited on time to go sourcing, or have a need to get a large amount of inventory in bulk. So I'm really excited to see what is in here in this mystery box. I know that Stacey from Recovered Riches had one and he had some really good stuff in it. So I have opened this just to confirm that it is a box of clothes. I have no way looked to see what's in it. Obviously, it is gifted to me by the people at Fleek, but they have assured me that it is the same mystery box that anyone else would receive who ordered this reseller mystery box from their website. It's basically just been randomly selected and posted out to me. So let's see what's in the box. Ooh. Alrighty, we have got something with a belt, which is we've got some dungarees. Let's have a look to see. Oh ho ho ho! Carhartt dungarees. These bad boys, a couple of marks on them, but that's fine with Carhartt stuff. That actually, adds to the resale because people know it's been used as sort of proper workwear. Now, I haven't checked prices on these, obviously, because I've just pulled them out, but I know you used to be able to get at least 45 quid for a pair of reworks. So with free fees on eBay at the minute for business sellers, and on obviously on Vinted Pro there's no fees as well. That's pretty much half the box paid for in the first item. So that is really good. It's well packed, I must say that. It looks like we've got a pair of jeans. Everything in here should be in good condition. These are 505s, which I believe is actually Charlie Pete's favourite Levi's. There's a fact for you. 36, 32, pair of 505s. Levi's not as good as they used to be in terms of resale value. They're still strong sellers. We used to be able to get 25 to 30 for those. Now you're probably looking around 20 to 25. But that is still good. When you think we're up to 65 quid already. Corduroy. Very nice. Original use. Not familiar with them. So this is more like a vintage corduroy shirt, but very popular. Material corduroy. 15, 20 quid maybe on that. Size is it? It's XL as well, so it's a good size. It's actually my size, so might keep that one, Fleek. But anyway, we shall see. It looks like they've thought about the time of season as well, from what I can see, because the stuff in here is the kind of stuff that I would list and put up for sale now. This coat being a perfect example of. Oh, it's a Burberry. Yeah, vintage Burberry's. It says Burberry's, which for a period Burberry did do Burberry's. I've seen people before ask if it's fake because it says Burberry's with an S on it. No, it's not. Yeah, vintage Burberry coat. That is nice. That could be 70, 80 quid in itself. Nice. We will assume it's faux fur lined. So I don't really think it's from the era when it was fur lined, but yeah, that's unexpected and nice. So that puts us into profit in 3 items. Now, if I was Fleek, I'd stack the most profitable items at the top, but maybe not, because what have we got here? Looks like we have got a nice coat, Columbia coat, Columbia, let's just have a look, size small, Columbia sportswear coats. I have sold Columbia coats before and do well. They've actually sold really quickly for me in the past. Just checking, it is a down coat as well, 60% down, 40% feather. So maybe 25, 30 quid on that. Good condition on that as well. Looks like we've got a vintage, vintage Adidas sort of terry towel sweatshirt. Just seeing the size on it. I know you guys like to see the sizes. I would have to work that out because it is a bit faded on the size tag, as you'd expect from something that is over a quarter of a century old. So I'd have to measure that's what size it is, but you know, looking at it, it's probably at least a large, maybe an XL. Yeah, it's another 20 quid at least in that, possibly a bit more. Perfect for this time of year. There's still more in the box. Still more. Interesting. Well, we've got vintage Majestic here. XXL, so good size. Made in Indonesia. So not unfortunately made in USA, which should add to the value. But this is Notre Dame jacket. Probably shoot for about 25 quid on this. We have got a nice bit of labelling there on the arm as well. Yeah. Nice coat. Warm coat, good for this time of year. And then we've got the final item in here, which is, it's like a big pair of pants. Yeah, a big pair. Oh, it's not pants. There we go. This is what happens when you open stuff upside down. It's like, why is the label? Yeah, so this is a vintage Wrangler denim. It's like it's a denim jacket, but it sort of looks a bit like a denim shirt. So it's sort of like a halfway between the two. But yeah, it's vintage. It's XXL. Again, probably 20 to 25 quid on that denim jacket. I'm not good at dating Wrangler, to be honest. It's got a bit of distress to it, but that's good. That actually adds to the sort of the item. In this case, people want that vintage distressed look. So, you know, conservatively, we've got 20 to 25 quid there. 25 to 30 here, so let's just say we've got 50 quid. Let's say we've got 20 quid on the Adidas jumper. 70 quid there. Another 30 quid here, 100 quid. We've got the Burberry, which, you know, you might get 70 quid on that. Might get more, 170 quid. We've got a pair of Levi jeans, so that is, say, we're up to about 190. We have got the vintage cord shirt. Let's just say that puts us up to 205, because then if we chuck in the Carhartt dungarees, we're on about 250 quid's worth of stock there. There appears to be no condition issues with anything other than stuff that actually you would expect to see on a vintage item. I say the Carhartt jeans have got dungarees, we've got a few marks on, but that's actually not detrimental to value on the case of Carhartt workwear like that. So yeah, for 81 quid, you're about 250 quid's worth of stock there. Maybe a bit more. I think a couple of those pieces I would probably initially push higher for. On a fee-free platform, Depop, Vinted Pro, you're going to make a decent return. On eBay, you're probably going to double your money after fees, shipping, etc. is taken into account, which is still good. I always say if you're getting a mystery box and you're doubling your money on it, then that's can only be a good thing. Two advantages at the minute are that if you use my discount code for Fleek, which is RFD-ANDREW, that's Romeo Foxtrot Delta -Andrew, I think it's all in capitals, you get about 25 quid off your first order on Fleek. So if you're ordering one of these boxes, you're going to get 25 quid off it, you're going to get more money. And I've got to be honest, I will be ordering one of these boxes again, actually. In fact, probably 2 of these boxes, because I'm quite impressed with what's in there. There's not too much stock for me to handle. Cost per piece, about 8 quid-ish, but the value of the items that are in there is good. Some good brands in there, and some really good items. So yeah, I'm going to order some more of those. Fleek does have as well a 60% or up to 60% off site-wide sale in place at the minute for Black Friday, which obviously will end soon because Black Friday will end soon. But yeah, I would definitely recommend going and having a look at there. But I'm going to order some more of these boxes, because while stuff is fee-free on eBay, it's coming good order. I mean, this is stuff I can list tonight. It doesn't even need washing, to be honest. It's, yeah, maybe a little bit of a run over with the steamer, but all good apart from that. So yeah, anyway, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment Apple down below, because I do like a random comment on a video to show people have watched. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.